HR is working with health and environmental safety along with several other campus departments to promote this program. It was designed by the State Fire Marshal's Office, and we are promoting this to staff, faculty, and students. And of course, as liaisons, you are our eyes, ears, and hands in the departments. So we want you to help us get this information out. You'll hear and see information about it periodically throughout the year. In the far right corner, we have a table set up that has a ton of brochures, buttons, and posters. Feel free at the break or at the conclusion of the meeting to stop by and pick up. Okay, we have plenty. Take them back to your departments and share them. Educate your staff, okay? And before we get started, I just want to ask, do you have an exit strategy for this room right now? If something were to happen, do you know where to go? Okay, think about that.